Hi, my name is Caitlin Grassmeyer. I started coming to Dr. January at the end of February of 2016. I had a baby in March of 2015, and I think I experienced pretty normal hip and back pain while I was pregnant. And I think I thought it would just heal itself after I had a baby, and it didn't. And I waited almost a year before I went to my OBGYN, and I also went to my primary care physician, and they offered me a prescription for Flexeril or steroid shots, and that wasn't something that my husband and I wanted to do. A friend had told me about Dr. January, and so we decided to give that a try. When we came in, I was really hopeful. I was in a lot of pain. I had a lot of sleepless nights, and I think being in pain can be very frustrating. So I was already struggling with some postpartum depression and anxiety, and I think being in pain just kind of compounded that. So I was really hopeful when we came in the first time. My husband was very skeptical. I really don't think he thought it would work at all, but he was being supportive of me. So we came in and made a treatment plan with Dr. January, and the first adjustment I felt relief, which I was really shocked. I did not think that would be the case. And then after that, it was probably 2 weeks before I saw a significant decrease in my pain, but I just kept telling myself, okay, this didn't happen overnight, and he's not going to fix it overnight, so I just need to trust the process. So I came like 3 times a week for 4 months, I think. And then I went down to once a week, and now every other week. And I have seen almost complete elimination of all of my symptoms. I came in, like I said, for lower back and hip pain, and that pain is pretty much gone. But then also, what I didn't expect is that depression and anxiety and all of those symptoms and issues that I was having, I saw, that got treated, and we weren't expecting that at all. So that's been a huge, huge blessing for us. And then toward the end of my treatment, my son, who was 15 months old, I think, at the time, he started having some skin issues. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but basically anything that would brush his skin would cause raised whelps. So like his clothes, if he brushed by something on the door, if we brushed him too hard, it would create this raised rash that was really itchy, and he would scratch until he bled. It was his whole diaper area, all over his body. And he was on quite a few medications to try to combat that. And I mentioned it to Dr. January because I had missed a few appointments because of that. And he said, oh, well, just bring him in and I'll treat him. And I was thinking, like, this is not a chiropractic thing. This is a skin thing. So I went home and I talked to my husband about it, and he was like, oh my gosh, we're not doing that. And I was like, we should just try it. Like, do we really want him to be on medicine for the rest of his life? And so we brought him in, and he came in for 2 weeks, every day, or 3 days a week, for 2 weeks. And at that point, Dr. January asked us to stop giving him all the medicine that we had been giving him, which for us was kind of scary just because we had seen like how much pain and discomfort he was in before. But we did. We stopped giving him all medicine, and now, since that time, he's had probably 2 rashes ever. Since that time, he's not on any medicine, which is a huge deal. So, yeah, that's been our experience with Dr. January, and we're very happy.